told you, you started already.
You want to sleep. If I sleep off now, I can forget.
The game has started. I'm telling you, like,
Let's
the
go,
game.
baby.
It's the game. It's the fucking...
Wait, this is bad if I mean.
This one.
No, wait, not too much of it. Not too much.
Not that one.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Why are you angry?
Okay,
Did something happen just now?
No. The past, I can never let go of.
Go to the bed.
I can't be part of it.
Because a 22-year-old,
Cross did that?
Yes, his shit was in here.
Oh, I thought you were talking about that.
Oh, so you even woke him up?
I did now, because I saw it. I
When he
woke him
could be the one that did it and ran to sleep fast. And then it's your person.
Oh, she had a fight with Shay today.
Yeah, maybe she that did it. That's what I'm saying. You niggas have more motive than us. She's not beefing. We should be worried about you guys. It's a man thing. My ex used to fucking scatter my shit. Bye. Please come. Please come, it's important.
Do you know who did that? Yeah, it's actually not fair. Whoever did this shit.
Who did it?
You know who did it?
How am I supposed to know who did it?
Big brother Naija.